Been the best father that you could be this year, or either ever in life. Maybe you haven't been the father that you could be, but you could do better going forward, right? So a lot of things happen in life that we can't be what we want to be for our kids. We really can't be what we need to be for ourselves. But that's why I tell you, put your faith in God. God will see you through anything that you're going through. I know, because I tried him, I've trusted him, and he's done that for me. So I just want to tell you, if you're a father and you haven't been the best father you could be to your kids this year, remember, you always have another day to get it right. Start today. Pick up the phone and say, hey, I know it's Father's Day. You hadn't heard from me, but I'm going to start doing better. And start today. Look, don't count anybody out, because God, every day you got new grace and mercy. Start today. Start being, even if you don't have a dime in your pocket to give your kids, give them your time. Kids, because love for kids is T-I, that's how they spell. Kids spell love T-I-M-E.
I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. Yeah, I've been to myself, just me lately. I don't need a lot. I don't need a lot, no. Just me and the fam, few friends ain't playing. I don't speak a lot, and I can't stop. And I can't stop.
Happy Father's Day, y'all. Happy Sunday. It's Father's Day. It's June the 16th. It's the third Sunday in June 2024. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. It's all about y'all today. And y'all know that Mother's Day, to me, Mother's Day, Father's Day is every day, because every day, y'all know that the reason that we do a lot of things we do as parents is for our kids. Here's my son. Y'all, he has a channel. Now, he gets on my channel and don't say anything. Tell him what your channel is, Manny. What's your channel?
Lil Drokey Waterhouse.
So I link his video if anybody interested in seeing what he be doing. Anyway, y'all, but I just wanted to come on real quick and say Happy Father's Day to all the fathers. Much love to you all. I have a few brothers. Brother Bruce, who watch my channel, always comment. I have a few others, but I remember my brother Bruce, because he always support me no matter what. And that may not even be your real name, I understand. But I love you, brother. And if you're a father, Happy Father's Day. May you be celebrated, because you're awesome. And to all the fathers who may see this, maybe you haven't been the best father that you could be this year, or either ever in life. Maybe you haven't been the father that you could be, but you could do better going forward, right? So a lot of things happen in life that we can't be what we want to be for our kids. We really can't be what we need to be for ourselves. But that's why I tell you, put your faith in God. God will see you through anything that you're going through. I know, because I tried him, I've trusted him, and he's done that for me. So I just want to tell you, if you're a father and you haven't been the best father you could be to your kids this year, remember, you always have another day to get it right. Start today. Pick up the phone and say, hey, I know it's Father's Day. You hadn't heard from me, but I'm going to start doing better. And start today. Look, don't count anybody out, because God, every day you got new grace and mercy. Start today. Start being, even if you don't have a dime in your pocket to give your kids, give them your time. Kids, because love for kids is T-I, that's how they spell. Kids spell love T-I-M-E. T-I-M-E. I'm going to share my pastor's message today about being a father. It was good. It was really good. I see it's a car right there, but it's a smaller car. All right, y'all. So I'm headed into the store to get a few things I can cook today. But I just wanted to tell y'all that. Happy Father's Day. Love y'all. Be blessed. Much love. Bye. Y'all, we're in line at Sonic. Y'all know we come to Sonic every time. What y'all doing for Father's Day? I'm just coming back really, really quick. I had to go to Target and do a pickup. I did a pickup at Sam's. I went to the grocery store and got me a watermelon. I got my peanuts and my apples for the week. Just coming back to just let all the fathers know that those of you who haven't done all you can, just try and do better next time. There's no way you can go back and change what's already happened. All you can do is make things better for today, right? And going forward. So don't look back. Don't look back. Look forward into being a better father for your kids. And my pastor was like me. I do not like my baby daddy. I do not like it either. I just don't. I don't. My daughter or my son's father or dad, but not baby daddy. I don't. First of all, my kid's grown. So why would I say that baby daddy? My baby daddy. All right, y'all. I'm going to get off of here. But I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going to come back and show y'all what I cooked today. I'll be back. Bye. Happy Father's Day, y'all. So I did a pickup at Sam's and I went to the Brookshire store and I did a pickup at Target. So these are the bags I get from Sam's. There's 200 of them and I probably have to get them maybe twice a year. But these are the bags I get from Sam's. They're a power stretch. They stretch the whole, they're good bags. They don't break, tear all up on you and everything. I got my apples for the week. Y'all know I get the Cosmic Crisp. Somebody got them on sale, but I think it's Kroger, so I may go get some more before the week is out. And here are my peanuts, too. That's my breakfast for the week. My son needed some more milk. We get the 2% reduced fat. I got this romaine lettuce from Sam, so what I'm going to do is cut it up and put it in a bag, and I'm going to make me a salad every day for lunch. I don't have tomatoes, but I'll get some. Or maybe I'll just do the Caesar salad. I'm not sure. I called back to the store. I told the little guy, I said, hey, you want me to take this off? He said, no, I could just look the number up or whatever. He can just put the code in, 4031. And I called back. I said, ma'am, I'm sorry. I said, I'm headed home. I said, but he charged me for the wrong watermelon, but he didn't charge me for the wrong watermelon. I got the wrong one. This is seeded. The other ones were $4.98. This was $6.98. The seeded watermelons, though, I think they're sweeter. So I may go ahead and just keep this and see. I think I will. I got the Vagisil Odor Block. I got that from Target. I got this from Sam's. This $2 off. Y'all know I like Hellman's only. And which I just bought 4. I don't know what I was thinking. But this doesn't expire until, let's see, next January. So I have that for the holidays, I'm sure. I got this cleansing water for help with makeup removal. Because I washed my face and everything, and then I went to wipe again. I thought I had done a good job, and I still had a little eye makeup on. And which all I do is I don't even do eyeshadow. I just actually do the concealer under my eyes. That's all I do. I had left one of these in the car. I found it. They had the blueberries. This thing of blueberries was on sale just for the weekend, $1.97. So I'm going to throw that in that salad. Blueberries are really good for you. Y'all, Sam's used to carry the Dial Soap 22 of them for $14.98. They don't carry them anymore. This is 12 of them at Walmart. Don't have 12. I haven't been able to find them. But Target had the 12 of them. They're normally $9.99. I got them for $7.99. I just picked them up today, though, but I paid for them the other day, so I still was able to get the sale price. And, y'all, I've started getting my ground beef. This is the 88% lean from Sam's. When I tell y'all this does not have a whole bunch of... I used it the last time I made a meatloaf. I used this whole thing. Now, this is 5 pounds, but when I tell y'all this made a whole big roasting pan, so I'm doing meatballs today. I won't use all this, of course, but yeah, that meatloaf lasts about 3-4 days. I actually end up freezing it, taking some to work, whatever. But you won't need all this if you got a big family or you trying to save. If you think about it, 5 pounds. This is $4.38 a pound. It's very good ground beef, though. Very, very, very good. All right, y'all. My meal today is meatloaf, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, these French-style green beans, and brownies. That's what was requested. All right, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. Have a blessed Father's Day. Bye. Happy Father's Day. So, our dinner, I got mac and cheese, mashed potatoes. We got some French-style, French-cut green beans, star meatballs, brownies with pecans for dessert. And that is Father's Day dinner. Be blessed, y'all. Bye.